Bind toothbrushes with elastic bands and you'll thank me later. The first thing you'll need is a toothbrush. Apply a generous amount of toothpaste to the bristles. Now, take another toothbrush and place it on top, aligning the bristles of both brushes. Secure the two toothbrushes at the neck with an elastic band. With firm and consistent movements, scrub the entire surface. You'll notice how the grease and burnt residues start to come off easily. Once you finish scrubbing, rinse the grill thoroughly with plenty of water to remove the impurities. And that's it. In just a few seconds, your grill will be as good as new, shiny and free of dirt. Many people struggle with cleaning grills after a day of barbecues or outdoor meals. Grease and burnt food residues can be tough to remove with conventional methods, and using improper tools often makes the task even harder. This can be frustrating and may even damage the grill's surface. With this simple trick, you have an economical, practical, and effective solution. By combining two toothbrushes with toothpaste, you create a powerful cleaning tool that removes accumulated dirt without damaging the material.